Okay, today we'll try question mark. I had a struggle with some of this, but the basic routine would be same. You count the boxes, and if you are not going to be using the graph paper, again, draw some lines, and then that's going to help you to draw better looking question mark. So if we count the boxes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So you can just try 2 as 1, right? If that helps. Okay. So you need a big circle and smaller circle in center. So 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So once you get used to these kind of pattern, you will get much more comfortable drawing without the graph paper. So until then, keep practicing. So we need a big circle. So you can keep adjusting it to making it better. Right? This looks a little bit more up, so we can always adjust it. Okay. Right. Now you need a center circle. So you need a two or more small circles to make this transition to the straight parts much more easier. So here's the bottom part. Right, do not make it too dark because some parts you might want to use the angle. So I'm going to draw another circle here. And then you need one more circle where? Here. So there's a reason. Of course, all these things gets easier if you can use the compass and or a circle template. We always try to do this without the only with the basic items. So these are the connection that you follow, and then straight goes down, and when you go down here, you follow that, and then you straight go down there. If you make that darker, remember we are doing it in 1-point perspective, right? So this will be your question mark. So this is the basic way of drawing the question mark. And you can use the box here or one more space because you want to make it into 3D looking. So here I made this point as a vanishing point, and then I decided to use the sphere because I thought that would be interesting. But in this case, let's extend this here and then use that as a vanishing point. Right? And then here. And there. Okay. And then if you decide that you want to cut, let's say this much, right? Okay. Or you want to extend it longer, that's fine. Okay. And then we forgot this corner. So the reason that in this particular drawing that we use the center, because we were gonna use the question mark, another question mark on the bottom, and another here, another here. So we are creating the circular motion of this question mark. So that was the original idea, right? So you can just follow exact same routine. Good. And then you, when you decide you wanna go and make the thickness. Okay. And then if I stop here, this will be my point at the bottom. Okay. So this part, if I cut it here, just to make it easier, right? And I can make this one. Naturally, because you're looking this up, so this would be more reasonable. Small, because the eye level is keep changing as you go up, right? Good. And this part is going to be really dark, assuming the light is coming, hits there. Right. And then I can block this way. Start adding the value. And then here. So later you can visit and then make these much more softer. Okay. And same thing. And then last part. Okay. So that's how you draw a question mark in one point perspective.